Sai, she is Bhaveshri and she is Renuka. Today we are going to explain about water tank automation system. The requirements of the project are Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor, 12 volts relay, BD139 transistor, 12K resistor, LED of red and green colors, 12 volts adapter, jumper wires, motor and water tank.
Now I am going to explain about the block diagram of our project. The ultrasonic sensor ground pin is connected to the Arduino Uno of a ground pin, and the echo pin is connected to the Arduino Uno pin of 13. The trigger pin of ultrasonic sensor is connected to the Arduino pin of 12. The VCC is connected to the 5 volts of Arduino Uno, or it is also called as the VCC of Arduino Uno. The ultrasonic sensor pins of trigger and echo is used for the trigger is used for the output and the echo is used for the input. Transistor of 3 pins. The first pin is connected to the power supply of Arduino Uno, and the second pin is connected to the relay, and the third pin is connected to the resistor. The resistor is connected to the analog of A2. The LEDs are connected. The green LED is connected ground and A0, and the red LED is connected ground and A1. The green LED starts blink when the motor gets starts, and the red LED is blinks when the motor gets stop. The relay consists of 5 pins, and the middle pin is known as the common pin, and the 2 pins are called as the normally closed and normally opened, and remaining 2 pins are called as the coil pin. The normal closed pin is connected to the pumping motor. The common pin in the relay is connected to the power, and the coil terminals is connected. One of the coil terminal is connected to the transistor, and the another coil terminal is connected to the power of Arduino Uno. In the Arduino Uno, we are connected using the adapter. Using the adapter, we are connecting to the power supply.
Ultrasonic sensor trig and echo pin are configured with 12 and 13 pin of Arduino Uno, and we take 2 LEDs of color red and green are configured with analog pin A0 and A1 of Arduino Uno, and we take a relay and configure with analog pin A2 of Arduino Uno, and we take 2 variables, duration and distance. Initially both are zeros. In set function, we have to configure all ultrasonic sensor, LEDs and relay here. We have to use pin mode function, which is used to set the trig and echo pins for output and input mode respectively. The red LED and green LED are set to be output modes. And relay is also connected with output mode. This pin mode is used to configure the pins into particular mode, either input start or out our mode. Serial monitoring by using serial.begin function, which will take 9600 bps. In loop function, initially we have to set a trigger pin into low mode, so we can set the delay of 2 microseconds and it automatically makes the trigger into high. Again, we take the delay of 10 microseconds. We have to set the trigger pin into low. After that, now we have to calculate the duration by using the function pulseIn. So echo pin is set to be high. Distance is calculated by using a function duration by 58.2. Now we have to set our tank levels. In our assumption, if the distance is less than or equals to 10, the tank is filled. Because of that reason, we are blinking the red light and power is off by using the relay. Now, if distance is greater than or equals to 15, so automatically the motor is on and blinks the red LED.
Now I am going to show you how our project is working. When the water level is low, the green LED begins to start blinking and continues when water is on and tank is filling. When the water levels reaches the final stage, that LED will be turned on when water stops.